Appalachian sunrise meets my skin. Even with my eyes still closed, I can feel it coming in. Golden, golden, I'll follow home. Golden, golden, golden things. Mountain laurel high fives for miles in spring. Rainbow trout and a hummingbird wing. Golden, I'll follow only golden. Golden, golden things. Gold hair, gold rings, gold leaves.
I'm in a new location. I'm currently in Lewes with my family for the week. So it took me 4 hours to get here yesterday from Bath. But I came with my sister, so I wasn't alone. But yeah, it was a long journey. There's currently some kids playing football, so excuse that sound. We're here till Sunday. Today I'm having the day off, so I'm getting around to doing this hat pattern by Unraveled. And then I think we're going to go and explore a bit later and see what Lewes is all about.
I'll follow only golden, golden, golden things. Walk up the river by my sun. Feet step over splinters of the moon. Golden, I'll follow only golden. Golden, golden things. Gold birds, gold string, gold words, gold anything. Golden, I'll follow only golden. Golden, golden things. Golden, I'll follow only golden. Golden, golden
In
things.
this giant vintage shop, and there's like 7 floors. It's huge. But the floors are so wobbly, it's making me feel dizzy. But I found these bunnies.
If only I could finish something, run straight through to the end, close a chapter dignified. Damn girl, you did it again. But will it ever be enough when I'm bent on trying to keep it tough? Will I ever settle down, happy with the here and now?
So we're just back from town and shopping and Charleston House, which was really cool, a really cool house. Hey guys, it's me from the future. I just wanted to talk more about the house, Charleston House. I feel like, well, I didn't actually explain what it is. It was a really cool house. Let me get the history on it. Basically, the whole house was like painted and crafted by the people in the house. So like they'd painted the wallpaper, the like fabric, the lampshade, like they'd made everything. Like it was so cool. Yeah, so it was the home and studio of painters Vanessa Bell and Duncan Grant. And it was like a place where artists, intellectuals and writers came to do their thing. The people that lived there painted every surface. So it was like you were walking, like the house was a work of art. Yeah, it was just really cool. And if you're in Lewes, highly recommend to check it out. And then, yeah, we popped into town and looked around the shops. There was a lot of antique shops, which were really cool. And I got these two little bunny rabbits. And they kind of remind me of the lint bunnies, which is cool. I got them and then we went food shopping and now we're back home. And I'm just back to knitting this hat, and it's knitting up really quick. I could probably finish it tonight if I kept going. But yeah, it's really cold here. It's been really sunny in Bath and I just assumed it would be the same, and I didn't even really bring a proper jacket. So it's been a bit chilly and it's very windy. So glad to be home and cozy and warm.
For every curve and crease that you might not lotion every day, get 24-hour lotion soft skin from your body.
And make the tea. We'll be back at 7:30, 8.
No, the fajitas.
Have we got chicken?
No, beans.
Beans.
Trust me.
Vegetarian, healthy. I can't wear my red bag, can I?
No.
Do you want?
I have finished knitting my hat. This was like the quickest project ever. It probably took me like 2 hours. Sort of, I did a bit this morning and then just in the afternoon. It's so cozy. I'm gonna link the kit that this came in. Yeah, it's just a really lovely hat and really quick to knit up. So if you wanted to make it for yourself or like a not really last minute present because you have to order it. It's really easy and quick for knit up, so great for beginners. Let's try it on. I just feel like glasses and hats don't go. I love it with my blondish hair. So it's about 6 o'clock now and I'm gonna make some dinner. Yeah, I think we're gonna have fajitas tonight, so I'm gonna make that. And oh, finally the sun's come out. It was, yeah, very grey earlier today, but it's pretty and blue skies. It's still too cold. It would be nice to go on a walk, but well, at least I have my hat to keep me warm.
all the restaurants and like opening doors and like going to the park and stuff. So I filmed probably like half an hour worth of footage, and then I swapped them in half and put it in here for food time and stuff, and it wiped me with everything, so I lost everything and had to reload that. So then you've got
Dinner is ready. You're currently balancing on some creme fraiche. I'm gonna eat this and watch the final episode of White Lotus. I am so excited. I feel like it's the kind of show where like nothing is happening but everything is happening, and you just have to like watch for like these cues, like what's going on, and then suddenly it's like bam, someone's dead. So I wonder who it's gonna be.